Let's talk about why MazeCon is so popular. It's all about top quality with zero complaints. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Let's take a look.
Next, we want to discuss how MazeCon can maintain the highest production capacity with the best quality and with zero complaints. This is something any operator can achieve. Isn't that amazing? The control panel of MazeCon has various buttons, and by pressing these buttons, operators can reduce their workload. Ishikawa-san, can you explain this to us?
Sure. In the past, operators manually adjusted the volume for extrusion and take-up, but MazeCon has an automatic adjustment feature. With just one push of a button, the automatic function kicks in. Once you set the target extrusion amount, the volume adjusts automatically to match the set target.
I see. What's the second feature?
The second feature is the take-up speed.
Are you referring to the thickness control and inflation molding?
Yes, that's correct. The take-up speed, which adjusts the thickness, also automatically adjusts with the push of a button.
So, it automatically matches the thickness?
Yes. It adjusts automatically without any manual intervention.
So, the three main features are mixing, extrusion control, and film thickness control.
Exactly.
Oh, by the way, isn't it also possible to automatically supply materials to each hopper?
That's right. MazeCon also comes with an automatic suction device.
I see. Now, let's talk about a story I heard from a longtime customer. From a manufacturing perspective, it's better to produce with as much extrusion output as possible, right? I was surprised when I heard this, but generally, extrusion output is determined by gradually increasing the screw rotation, eyeballing a stable speed, and then reproducing it based on this data for future production. But what if we started with a higher rotation speed? For example, starting at 120 RPM and finding the most stable production level. While this requires training, it could change the fundamental assumptions of production. For example, starting adjustments at 50 kilograms per hour might not reveal that 55 kilograms per hour or even 60 kilograms per hour is optimal. With MazeCon's extrusion monitor, starting at a high screw rotation speed and lowering it to a stable level might be the best way to achieve the highest extrusion output. What do you think, Ishikawa-san?
That's right. This is a technique only possible with MazeCon.
Increasing production by 5 kilograms per hour over a year results in significant numbers.
Indeed, it adds up to substantial amounts annually.
Processing fees are also several tens of yen per kilogram. Another point is issue of screen clogs in the extrusion process. As you might know, there's a screen at the end of the screw, and if left unchecked, raw materials can clog this screen, reducing extrusion output by about 5% in a week. By controlling the screw rotation speed, you can consistently maintain the determined extrusion output. By constantly and automatically correcting this, you can enhance productivity. Using the MazeCon ensures there are no uneven mixes, resulting in a very stable flow of raw materials. Additionally, keeping the extrusion amount constantly steady means the condition of the material coming out of the die is extremely stable. Changes in external temperature throughout the day affect the state of the die output, but MazeCon automatically controls this, ensuring consistent shape and molded products. For example, in inflation molding, the frost line of the film remains unchanged, meaning the thickness and width of the mold stay consistent, resulting in high-quality products. It does all this without any manual adjustments, right, Ishikawa-san?
Yes, that's correct.
Combining all these functions allows you to handle any order, use any raw material, and manage any ratio, solving all issues as they arise. It also addresses changing factors during production, resulting in zero complaints in manufacturing. I think this is the best part.
Absolutely. As you said, our customers also report producing high-quality products thanks to MaceCon.
Exactly. Zero complaints are ideal. It's perfect. If you receive an order for 500 kilograms per lot, even a small complaint means reproducing the entire 500 kilograms, right?
That's right.
Reproducing 500 kilograms means a loss of over 1 million yen, assuming raw materials cost around 250 yen per kilogram.
Yes.
Customers should consider how many such instances occur annually. Zero complaints in manufacturing become a powerful advantage for your end customers. I wanted to emphasize that MaceCon is an incredible product. Maybe I'm exaggerating a bit, but that's the point.